Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am very excited to share with you why it is perfectly understandable when you can't seem to find your perfect match and why it is alright to use different foundation shades to achieve the seamless makeup look that you are aiming for. There are many factors why we can't find our foundation match. Number one is that we may be out in the sun a lot. There are some parts of our face that are darker and some that are lighter. Lalo for me, I like getting some sun every day for 10 to 15 minutes, so my skin tone really changes quite a lot. Another factor might be because some people don't use sunblock every day as recommended, so the skin is more prone to getting rough patches or dark spots and even skin tone, and yung texture ng skin nag-iiba rin when you don't use sunblock on a regular basis. Some people kasi think that sunblock is just a cherry on top or like added added product to use in your routine, but it's actually very important that you use it daily, just like how you use the other products in your regimen. When you don't use sunblock, your skin becomes more mature looking and it ages faster. My third reason is that I think many brands condition you to think that it's very easy to find your true match. Pero ang shade choices nila, 5 lang. Ayan tuloy, most of the time we think it's impractical or weird that we use more than just one foundation. But have you ever tried mixing different foundations, even different brands, and find that your makeup look more seamlessly than you would if isang foundation lang yung ginamit mo? Depending on the look that you're aiming for, let's say for example, you want to achieve medyo Korean makeup look, or yung iba naman as in parang full face, contour, lahat nandyan. Depende sa gusto mong makeup. I recommend that you use different foundations, even foundations with different formulations to achieve the look that you're really aiming for. Bakit ko ginagawa yon? Kasi some parts of my face, I feel like it needs a long wear formula. Some parts naman, I feel like it needs sheer formula na foundation. For example, in my nose area, I feel like it needs a sheer formula with a teeny amount of a long wear foundation so that it can effectively cover my pores kasi it's larger sa nose area. And then, we don't want kasi parang hindi pantay na foundation look. Kasi ang weird pag kunwari dito sa nose area, hindi siya pantay. Diba when you're made to believe na dapat iisa lang talaga yung foundation mo, parang you end up feeling frustrated na hindi mo nagagawa yung looks that you really want to achieve from, let's say, the videos that you watch or sa TV or sa ads. Ang hirap niya ma-achieve. And for many years, before I tried mixing and matching my foundations, I would feel frustrated kasi nga ba't ganun? Pag pinanood ko naman sa video, parang ang ganda naman ng pagka-apply. It might be marami ding factors. Baka yung application mo, baka yung tools na ginagamit mo, hindi rin tama. Iba-iba naman tayo ng skin type eh. So, it's always best to do trial and error. Syempre, parang, what if yung pinapanood mo, you might have the same skin tone, pareho kayo ng foundation shade na dapat mahanap or dapat bilhin, pero baka mamaya yung skin type nyo magkaiba naman pala. Unless you accept that it's alright to use different foundations in order to achieve the look that you want, hindi mo talaga magagawa or hindi talaga ma-achieve yung makeup look that you want to achieve kasi base pa lang, mali na. So now that we've enumerated yung mga factors that I think are the reasons kung bakit hindi natin mahanap yung perfect match natin. We head on to the solution. Moisturize my skin, I use face mist, and then prep with a moisturizer and a primer para mas maganda yung adhesion ng makeup na ilalagay mo. The next step would be to use my favorite foundations, which are of course from V&M Naturals. I use vanilla and caramel. I blend both because I want to be able to customize the shade that I want every time. Minsan kasi, as I've said earlier, nag-iiba-iba siya. I don't use creme alone because even though I feel like I have fair skin, it just doesn't cut it. Hindi, parang I feel like it's not my perfect match. So I blend these two shades. It feels like second skin every time I apply these foundations. I really love them. After that, I want to effectively highlight my features and show a little cheekbone because I'm not like other people with really prominent cheekbones. So I use the Toffee shade to contour. If you're curious what our best-selling shades are from the 5 Silk Serum Foundation shades, it would be the creme, caramel, and hazelnut. Actually, yung hazelnut, yung sobrang onti na lang natitira ngayon, paubos na talaga siya. Because these 3 are parang considered parang Asian skin siya. Pag super puti, what I recommend is the vanilla shade. For this look, if you're curious, I used the vanilla shade to conceal and let it stay on my skin for a while before I blend with my damp sponge para medyo mas maging creamy siya. Tsaka para mas maging heavy coverage na concealer for me. So, dyan ko siya usually nilalagay. And then I also put some of the concealer around my nose kasi may redness tayo dyan. Tapos, I just let it stay before I blend. And then, when it's time to highlight, what I like doing is that I mix my cream highlighter first with a very light oil such as our marula oil from V&M and the chobaki oil. Very light yon kasi nga I have oily skin so I don't want heavier oils at this point. So, I just mix 1 drop of the marula or chobaki oil and then mix my cream highlighter with the vanilla foundation shade. Para when you put it on your skin, it looks very natural lang. It won't sit on top of your makeup before I apply a powder foundation para seamless yung look ng makeup mo. When I want to make my makeup last longer or if I want it heavier, I usually top it off with my double wear foundation from Estee Lauder. This one's really nice. I swear, it really makes your makeup last longer and maganda talaga yung kapit niya for me. Kasi some people, they say, with this product, it's like your skin likes it or your skin hates it. I'm really glad na my skin loves this product. So, I really recommend this too. And then for the nose, I use this Tom Ford foundation with the caramel foundation. As I've said earlier, iba talaga yung skin ko sa nose area. I don't know if it's the same with you, pero sa nose area, I notice mas malaki yung pores and mas prone kasi siya magkaroon ng mga whiteheads and blackheads. So, iba yung kapit ng foundation sa kanya. I feel like you have to moisturize it more para mas maganda kasi mas na-absorb niya agad yung whatever you put. So, kapag medyo mas nagtagal yung foundation sa kanya or masyadong heavy yung nilagay mo sa nose area, pansinin mo, pansinin mo para siyang nagbablotch. Diba parang may mga, parang cakey siya tignan. So, I really mix these two. So, this Tom Ford foundation is, ano ba to? I forgot what it's called. Basta it's supposed to be a sheer foundation lang. And then, I mix it with a little creamier foundation, which in this case is the caramel, para pantay pa rin siya sa look ng makeup mo. What I like about this technique is that mas onti na kasi, mas tipid ko na nagagamit yung mga high-end foundations with the V&M foundations as base. Kasi, hindi mo na siya kailangan lagay as much sa buong area ng face mo because you already put the V&M foundations sa first layer. So, itong mga foundations na to, especially the double wear, I just use it on areas na medyo mas nagiging oily agad. And it really works for me. Like, this makeup look, that's the trick that I did. I really mix the foundations, pero hindi nawawala yung V&M foundations because maganda talaga siyang base and I'll explain more about what it can do to your skin. So, talagang it's a no-brainer that I use this as my base foundation all the time. After doing that, that's when I put the powder foundations on top para mas heavy talaga yung look nung makeup mo and mas hindi siya maghuhulas or matatanggal agad on your skin even when you have oily skin. So I top it off. The shade that I use for your reference lang is Caramel for the powder, and then I use Stay Rosy to bake my under eyes. Also dito sa areas na yung below the area na kinontour mo. Also, this area sa lips and here, sa forehead. Doon ko siya nilalagay para radiant yung look ng skin mo, glowing yung look ng skin mo from within. Hindi siya yung parang may shimmer lang. Alam mo yun, may shimmer lang kaya parang mukha siyang makinis. Hindi ganon. You won't even notice that I put it. If you look at it, sorry, yung ilaw ko talaga yung nagkukurap-kurap dyan. Pero hindi ko alam kung magbabago tuloy yung quality nung lighting ng video, but then at least alam nyo kung bakit siya ganon. But yun nga, parang when you look at it, when you look at my skin, you won't even see na parang ay may shimmer siya, ganyan. Iba kasi yung dating pag shimmer lang tas yung skin mo hindi makinis, 'di ba? When you put the Stay Rosy foundation, maganda talaga yung effect niya sa skin, and I super love that product. Every time I use it, I get complimented na parang radiant nga yung look ng skin ko, and they can't quite pinpoint what I put on my skin kung bakit siya ganun. Alam mo yun kung bakit niya na-achieve yun. So I put it on top after, diba, I use it to bake, but I also put it all over my face and body after I put on my full makeup. I swear I'm telling you, hindi ganito kaganda yung effect ng makeup when I don't do this trick na I blend and mix and match my foundations. Well, it took me years then for me to realize na ganun pala yung needs ng skin ko. So, I'm sharing it with you para at least if you're like me na parang nafa-frustrate ka na bakit ganun? Parang iba, nanonood naman ako ng iba't ibang mga videos pero parang bibilin ko yung foundation na yun pero hindi pa rin siya tama for my skin. 'Di ba? Also, the very reason why I like using the V&M Naturals Foundation, Silk Serum Foundation as my base is because of the fact that it has 15-hour post-sun, light, and pollution care protection na hindi mo talaga makukuha sa ibang foundations. Lalo na yung parang walang natural skincare benefits. Yung reason pa lang na yun, na it protects my skin from the harmful effects of the sun, and even if hindi ako lumabas sa ilaw, and yung pollution, it's enough for me not to use it, to want to use it daily talaga. So basically, it's your sun care and makeup in one talaga. Tapos, apart from the fact that it protects your skin from the harmful effects of the sun, the light, and the pollution, it also brightens your skin, it diminishes fine lines and wrinkles, it decreases its depth. So, parang, if these reasons are not reason enough, I don't know what is. Kasi sobrang, you really fall in love with the skincare benefits of this skin treatment makeup foundation. I can't stress it enough because I really love this product. Kung gusto mo naman ng light lang yung makeup mo, as in, ito lang, sobrang nakaka-fresh talaga siya. Like, this ECQ, whenever I would put on makeup, kahit na wala naman akong gagawin, ito talaga siya. Kasi everyday ko naman siyang ginagamit. With the Keep Safe Sunblock, para mas added protection. Pero, this alone, sobrang na talaga siyang beneficial for the skin. If you want to find out the many other reasons why you should try this line, I actually did another vlog for that, which I posted about like maybe 2 weeks ago or last month yata. Basta, I shared there kung ano yung mga benefits pa ng makeup. So, if you're curious to find out what they are, tas in-depth yung reasons, please do check that video out. So, before I end this video, I just want to say a quick thank you to everyone who has already joined our Moving Forward giveaway. The mechanics are very simple. All you have to do is just follow our Instagram accounts, V&M Naturals, Starburst, and Rach Ramos Instagram, and our YouTube channels, which is The Modern Conscious Beauty, Jamie Faith Tan, this channel, and Rach Ramos YouTube channels. And we are giving away 12 full packs with 12 full-size V&M products to 12 people, and one lucky winner will win 12,000 worth of V&M products. So, we have a lot of surprises in store for you every time that you watch this video. The next videos, we will be having more giveaways. So, please do watch out for that. Spread the word about this giveaway. Share it with your friends. And, we're really very excited and I really hope that you win. Thanks so much also for watching this video. Please do like, share this video if you find it useful, and I also would like to invite you to subscribe to this channel if you like my content. Hit on the notification bell so you'd be notified every time I upload new videos. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!